In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide and show widgets in WordPress using the Widget Context plugin. So to get started, go to your WordPress site, log into the dashboard, and then click on Plugins and Add New. Then search for Widget Context. The first thing with this green icon is the Widget Context plugin. So go ahead and click on Install Now. Once that is done installing, you can click on Activate. The nice thing about this plugin is that it's kind of nicely ties into the standard WordPress interface. So you have no new screens or admin areas to kind of study and learn. So let's look at this site. This is my blog. It has About Me section here. It also has About Me page. So I don't want this About Me kind of introductory excerpt to be on the same page as the actual About page. I would like to show these archives and category pages only on the blog and the blog posts. So using the Widget Context plugin, we can easily do that. Under Appearances, Widgets, and now About Me here. It's currently set to show widget everywhere, but we want to show it, we want to hide it actually on selected. So that was that one About page. So the slug of that page is About. So it does have a trailing slash, but for this target by URL feature, you don't need to do that. If there was a subpage of the About, for example, family, then you can include that here too. So now the widget would be hidden in both About and About family. Or you can use the wildcard feature and just add this star symbol at the end of the URL. And that's going to capture both the root level About page and all the child pages, as long as the permalinks for your site are set to use these pretty permalinks. So when I go ahead and now save this, we're gonna go back to the widget, to the site's homepage. You see that the About Me widget is still there, but on the About page, the widget is no longer being displayed, just like we wanted. So now for the archives and the category archives, we go to the widgets, and now this is in the others footer area. And now this one we want to show only on the blog page, right? Then on all posts, since those are kind of all blog content. And then I'm going to select all archives. So that's going to include the monthly archives, the category archives, really everything. So that's exactly what we wanted for this. We're going to save this and do the same for categories as well. So show the widget only on selected, the blog page, all posts, and all archives. And you can combine these with any of these existing rules. So for example, like the word count, if a post had less than or more than a certain amount of words, you can either hide or show that widget. Or you can specify, in addition to these rules here, you can specify a page, for example, where you would still want to show this category list. We go back to the home page and we notice that the archives and categories are still there. However, if we go to the single post, they're still there here, but on the page, they're no longer being displayed. So that is exactly how we want it. So I hope you do find this plugin useful. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us using the support forum feature on the WordPress.org.